In the wake of the tornado's aftermath, 3 people were killed, others injured, and cars were scattered on highways. The National Weather Service reported that 22 tornadoes ripped through the states of Illinois, Missouri, Tennessee, Indiana, and Iowa.
Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. If you play away, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience, and I know for sure that we've been
Forecast for tonight. Even though we've been saying, hey, the main event, threat of severe weather for Wednesday, I don't want this to catch you off guard. I think some showers and even some storms will move through later this evening and also tonight, thanks to a warm front that's lifting in our direction. Even though the bulk of this is rain, there is some embedded thunderstorms. If you can look closely, you'll see the lightning there, lightning flash.
Just sleeps away and I'm eager for his break. And I'm quite sure, like a human chess piece I've been playing, you're coming back for more. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see? Do you remember a fallen man with no escape? It seems he lives in yesterday. Play away, well, I forgive you once again. I'm losing patience.
To get more latest news, just subscribe me.